powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. So I'm looking at two Weber grills, the Q1000 and the Spirit 2 E-210. Both propane, obviously. What jumps out at you first?
Well, the size difference is pretty significant. The Q1000 is much smaller, right? Like, product dimensions are 16.5 x 27 by 14.5 inches compared to the Spirit 2, which is a whopping 48 by 26 by 57 inches.
Yeah, the Q1000 is definitely more portable. It's only 27.5 pounds, and they market it as a tailgating grill. The Spirit 2 is lighter at 20 pounds, surprisingly, but its larger size makes it less portable.
Right. And cooking space, too. The Q1000 has 189 square inches. The Spirit 2 has a cooking surface area of 360 square inches, almost double the space. So if you're cooking for more than a couple of people, the Spirit 2 is the way to go.
Definitely. Speaking of cooking, the Q1000 only has one burner putting out 8,500 BTUs, while the Spirit 2 has two burners cranking out 18,000 BTUs. Big power difference, and probably heats up faster.
For sure. And I see the Spirit 2 is iGrill 3 compatible, which is pretty cool if you're into techie grilling. The Q1000 doesn't have that.
Good point. The Q1000 uses those small, disposable propane cylinders, but you can get an adapter hose for a 20-pound tank. The Spirit 2 uses a standard 20-pound tank.
And what about the grates?
Both have porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates, which is good for heat retention and easy cleaning.
Right. The Spirit 2 has a fold-down side table, which is handy for prep space. No side table on the Q1000.
Nope, but the Q1000 is fully assembled out of the box, which is awesome. Some reviewers for the Spirit 2 mentioned assembly can be a bit tricky.
Good to know. And the Q1000 is cheaper, right?
It's listed at $229, but the Spirit 2 is currently unavailable, so we don't know the price. But generally, the Spirit 2 is more expensive.
Okay, so basically Q1000 is small, portable, and simple. The Spirit 2 is larger, more powerful, with more features, but also requires assembly, and, when available, will cost you more. Makes sense.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.